For RC circuits, we're going to use the 750 interface. Go ahead and plug in the voltage sensor. It's an 8-pin DIN. Plug it in carefully right here. Then use two banana plugs. This will be our signal source. The left-hand side here is the ground, and this will be the positive side, or the signal. And the setup window, remember, can just be found by clicking here on the setup button. The setup window is also where we get to the signal generator window. Just double click on the word output there in setup window, and your signal generator window should come open. Now you're going to plug in the voltage probe, which was into channel A last. Okay, first start with a signal source, and you're going to put that here. The signal's going to go through here. You're going to jump a banana plug over here, over the coil. Otherwise it goes through the coil. We don't want that. And then you're going to hook the other end of the signal right here to 10. Now notice on the side of the capacitor, that's the negative. So put the ground wire here, the negative side here, and then put the positive side here for the 100 ohm resistor. Now you're supposed to create your own workbook with a graph, and I shouldn't have this graph yet, so I'll delete it. But in the display menu, when you open up your work, okay, not the procedures, but your workbook, just double click that. We're going to show tools, and that allows us to edit the workbook. So I'm just going to get rid of that, and you start here with your cover page. To add a, oops, I'm not seeing the whole window here. There we go. To add a graph to the workbook, first of all you need to be showing tools, and then just click on the window pane and choose a graph display. Once you have your graph displayed, just drop voltage from channel A right there, and then drop output voltage right there. So now you're plotting both voltages versus time. Now right away, please double click on your graph, and then down here choose fast drawing. Otherwise it's just taking way too long when you zoom in or out of data. Fast drawing will speed things up. You also want to set your start and stop conditions. Data measurement, voltage channel A falls below 0.5. Make sure that you start the signal generator. Automatic stop condition, probably 3.5 seconds. And then in your setup window again, we want to check these settings, that we're at 4 volts. If you type in a number and then just click somewhere else, it does not register. So type in a number and hit return, and that will register it. 0.4 hertz, and then sample rate, we want it to be 200 hertz. And that should be it for setup.